Happy Monday. We are in Target, which has a Starbucks, and I'm gonna get me the lemon slice cake, ice cake. It's delicious. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna do a vlog this week. Oh, enjoy. So, back home from Target, I did not record Target trip because I ran into a friend, we started talking, and that was the end of that story. So, back home, gonna put away the groceries and probably take a nap. I'm tired. It's cooling off outside. I really need to take a walk or a ride, but we'll see. I need to clean up. That really didn't happen today. The load from last night is still in the washing machine. Hope I don't have to rewash it, because when you leave your clothes in the washing machine in the summer or in the warm weather, they seem to get a little not so fresh fast. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, I'm warming up some food. I really didn't eat much. I ate my cake from Starbucks because I was hungry. Then I feel awful because I should have ate some food first. So yeah, it's Monday. So this is my salmon salad for tonight. I'm gonna use this, don't mind the mess on the table, honey balsamic vinegar, and yeah, call it a night. Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. So I'm going to go ride my bike, get a little exercise in. And then I got a couple other things to do, like go to Old Navy and do a taste test. I have a taste test today, and I think that might be it for today. So yeah, and don't mind my eat sign. The T is missing. So when my daughter and her friends were here for her birthday, oh, there's the tea right on the counter. They knocked my tea off the wall, so I have to just put it back up. I did put it up and then it fell again, so yeah. So yeah, hope you guys are having an amazing Tuesday. Yeah, and I will continue to document the week. Vlogging is really a lot of work, but let's see how this goes, okay? Bye. Happy Tuesday. I just finished doing about a 10-minute ride on my bike, and yeah, it was a lot. My legs were hurting, and yeah, I could only do about 10 minutes, and then I worked my way up. And yeah, I'll try to share some video. I'm gonna figure out what I need to do for the rest of the day. I know I need to go to Old Navy and get my son some khakis for school, and maybe need some shoes as well. So that's my day. I also got to do like this little taste testing later, so I'll be doing that. And yeah, here's the Tuesday. Study. I was paid for my opinion, and now I am going to be headed to Old Navy and maybe Macy's or Bloomingdale's, so I might even can find some shoes to wear to school. So yeah, continuing my productive Tuesday. Headed to Old Navy to get khakis and knife. Headed to DSW. I still need shoes. If not, then we'll head to the mall. They're remodeling Target. Try to do a Target run while I finish stuff. Happy Wednesday. So I didn't really vlog today. Wasn't feeling well, but I feel a little better. My throat is a little scratchy. I don't know if it's my allergies or what, but I took some elderberry and some honey, and yeah, I helped my sister out tonight. So just getting back in, and I'm gonna call it the day. I actually forgot all about vlogging today. I guess that wasn't on my mind. So yeah, yeah, I will check in tomorrow. I have a dentist appointment. That should be fun. Happy Thursday. So I was in a little funk I canceled my dentist appointment because I was feeling a little weird this morning. So I don't know if it's my allergies, but my voice is like going. But anyway, I'm going to try and cook some dinner. I've been talking to my cousin just about all afternoon, and another friend prior to that, and then another friend from Vegas called me. So I'm just like trying to talk to everybody, trying to clean the house, trying to cook, trying to be productive. And yeah, so gotta help my sister later. I'm actually supposed to be doing something for her today, so I dodged her call, but I just called her back. She didn't answer, so yeah, that's my Thursday. I'm gonna try to get this grill going. It's annoying. Yeah. So I'm making cilantro sauce, sour cream, cilantro, dried cilantro, and lime. Hey y'all, so it's still Thursday. I'm hoarse and it's pouring down raining. I don't know if you can see. It is really raining pretty hard out. So just finished cooking. I made some cilantro sauce, which was pretty good. I ate it on my grilled chicken breast, and I steamed some rice. I was gonna add some beans, but I don't have any black beans. I only have brown beans. So I have to go help my sister later around 8. So those are my chicken wings. They just stopped cooking in the air fryer. And so yeah, I'm gonna clean up a little bit, straighten up, and then that'll be it for Wednesday. Actually, I mean Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. When you're off for the summer, you don't know what day it is. So, happy Friday. I'm actually been up since about 6:15. Did a little research on the internet. And then I started watching Stylish by Jenna. And I think I am going on episode 3. So I think it's roughly around 12, a little after 12. Don't really have anything on my agenda today, but we'll see what happens. Hope your day is going well, and I guess we'll follow along. Happy Friday. Well, it's still Friday, and I am headed to the outlet with my sister. I was supposed to go to New York today with a friend, but we rescheduled for next week. So I am gonna go with her to pick up. She's going to pick up some shirts or something. And then yeah, I've been binge watching Stylish with Jenna on HBO Max. So I watched that all day. So it's just a chill, relaxed day. This week has been pretty chill. So yeah, we'll take you to some stores soon. Okay, so we're done shopping, and yeah, I didn't intend on buying anything, but I did. She got what she needed. I still want more. Hopefully I'll get the other item that I want. And yeah, we're gonna call it a night. This is the end of the week vlog. I'll see if I'll do it again. I'm gonna go eat my food, take a shower, and go to sleep because I'm tired. I've been up since 6:15 and I never went back to sleep. So that is my night. Talk to you soon. But yeah, this is it. Until next time.